The year is 2038 and the world has changed. The rise of artificial intelligence has brought many benefits, but it has also created new dangers. Criminals have found ways to use AI for committing crimes, and one of the most alarming is the use of burglar bots. These small autonomous robots can be delivered into homes through small access points, such as letterboxes or cat flaps, to retrieve keys or to open doors, allowing ingress for human burglars. The technical requirements are highly constrained, which makes these bots more achievable than more ambitious classes of autonomous robots. The information about these bots comes from the University College London, which identified bot burglars as one of 20 ways AI could be used to facilitate crime over the next 15 years. The bots are programmed to gain entry through small openings and then send information to the thief about what's inside and whether anyone is home. They can even fetch the resident's keys. The idea is similar to the 2012 sci-fi movie Robot and Frank, about an aging jewel thief who uses a robot to commit one last job. The AI burglar bots can also be used to determine whether anybody is at home, relaying the information to the thief, who could then break in if the coast is clear. The police are struggling to keep up with this new threat. They have tried to develop countermeasures such as letterbox cages, but the bots are constantly evolving. Criminals are always looking for new ways to use AI to commit crimes, and the police are struggling to keep up. The rise of AI-enabled crime has created a new arms race, with criminals and law enforcement agencies constantly trying to outsmart each other. The use of burglar bots is just one example of how AI can be used for crime. The researchers at University College London identified bot burglars as one of 20 ways AI could be used to facilitate crime over the next 15 years. Other AI-enabled crimes could include using driverless vehicles as weapons, harvesting online information for the purposes of large-scale cyber attacks, and the deliberate manipulation of databases to introduce bias. The rise of AI-enabled crime has created a new challenge for law enforcement agencies, and they are struggling to keep up with the pace of change. In conclusion, the rise of AI-enabled crime has created a new threat to society. Meanwhile, some experts are calling for a more proactive approach to the problem. They argue that instead of just trying to defend against AI-enabled crime, we should be thinking about how to use AI to prevent it from happening in the first place. One idea is to create AI-powered surveillance systems that can identify potential burglars before they even get close to a home. But there are concerns about the ethics of using AI in this way. Critics argue that it could lead to a surveillance state where people's every move is monitored and analyzed by machines. Others worry that AI could be used to unfairly target certain groups, such as people of color or those from low-income backgrounds. As the debate continues, the threat of burglar bots remains a real and present danger. It's clear that we need to find a way to stay one step ahead of the criminals who are using AI to commit crimes. Whether through better technology, smarter policing, or more innovative thinking, we must find a way to keep our homes and our communities safe in this new age of AI-enabled crime.